In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your Dropbox history using our complete 2025 guide. Whether you're looking to check past edits, restore previous versions, or simply stay on top of file activity, we're covering everything you need to know right here. We'll start by visiting Dropbox's website at dropbox.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign in using your credentials. After you're logged in, take a moment to navigate to the file or folder for which you'd like to view the history. This is your starting point, so make sure you're in the right place before moving forward. Now that you've found your file or folder, the next step is to hover your cursor over it. When you do this, you'll notice 3 dots appear on the screen, also known as the ellipsis button. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This is going to open up a menu with several options. From this menu, you'll want to choose either activity or version history depending on what you're looking to explore. If you select activity, you'll be presented with a comprehensive list showing edits, any comments added to the document, sharing actions, and other recent activities. This is particularly useful if you're trying to trace who has done what or if you just want an overview of changes. On the other hand, selecting version history will reveal a list of all previous versions of your file, complete with timestamps for each version. This feature is incredibly handy in case you need to go back and see a previous version or if you want to ensure you're working with the most updated file. Once you've accessed the version history, you have several options for what to do next. You can click on any older version that interests you to preview it. If you find the version you're reviewing is the one you need, you can choose to download it straight to your device. And of course, if you've realized that this older version should actually replace the current one, you can restore it with a simple click. This action will set that particular version as the current version of your file, effectively reverting any changes made since. That's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to view and manage your Dropbox history, keeping you in control of your documents and all their iterations. It's a straightforward process, but an incredibly important one for maintaining organization and ensuring you can easily rectify mistakes or travel back in time with your document edits. Thank you for tuning in, and happy file management.